Garden update. How's everybody doing today? Our tomatoes are doing fantastic. We're just waiting for them to ripen. Let's go check what we need to do. Beans collected yesterday. Little beans. My little zucchini. It's giving me a little one there. Gotta come in the night, cut this guy. Monster zucchini. Peppers are doing all right. We still have a long way to go. Our eggplants are doing very good. Our little flowers that we seeded, they're nice. Our peppers are doing great. Our eggplants they're growing actually. Oh, somebody ate my, oh God. Well, we lost one. C'est la vie. Nice tomatoes are hiding in there. Oh yeah. How did this happen? I'm gonna come cut her off. I'm gonna do it in the night. I'm disappointed. Oh well. Do we have another one coming soon? Oh, look at this pretty flower. So something beat me to it. No, we don't have another one. We have this one somewhere there. I'm gonna beat them to it this time. We have another one right over there beside it. Anyways, they're all doing good. I guess some bird or something just munched on it. I'm just gonna cut it off so it won't take too much energy. I gotta come cut the zucchini. I watered in the morning, but I didn't water a lot. I should have watered over here, but I didn't. Anyways. What's happening with the beans? We're gonna get some farming soon. I hope. Or else I'm not putting these beans again. We have some over here. Till they grow, I'm gonna be an old man. Any from here? Here we're gonna get whatever's like purple. We're gonna get, see, whatever is purple. Anyways, I'm gonna get prepared. I gotta go to Home Depot, check some flowers. I don't know if I'm gonna buy any, but If anything interesting, I'll record it. I can't wait for the tomatoes, actually. So I'll see you, I guess, when I edit the thing. Leave your comments. How do you find my tomatoes? And like I said, if I go to Home Depot, I'll record what I see. Take care for now. Yeah, a little bike ride towards Home Depot to check out the plants. Oh wow. And here we go, Home Depot. We're gonna wait to cross because a lot of cops. Unless I don't see any and I go. People bought some Chinese irises. They smell beautiful. Yeah, they have a pretty good selection for now. Some way to, oh, they're beautiful. I had, but the sun didn't hit them and they deteriorated, the bulbs. Amazing. We're not gonna go inside. I just wanted to see what they have outside. Beautiful. Gotta get the bike out of there. pretty busy, this place. I hope we don't get demonetized for the music, so that's why I'm leaving from here. Nice fruit tree, eh? Yeah. Whose is it? Oh, you guys put it? Beautiful. It's wow. You collect them, you eat them? You're Italian? Greek. Have a nice one. Bye. That was a nice tree there.